Hey everyone, if you've ever felt stuck trying to organize different sections, headers, or footers on your Wix website, today's tutorial is just for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to arrange layers using Wix's Layers panel, a simple but super powerful tool for fine-tuning the order of elements on your site and ultimately making your web design cleaner and more professional looking. Let's dive straight in. So first, make sure you're on your Wix website design dashboard. This is the main editing area where all the creative magic happens. If you're working on a specific page, maybe your homepage or a services page, just double check that you're in the right place before you start sorting layers. It's worth mentioning that a well-ordered layer structure makes things so much easier down the line, especially if you keep adding new sections as your website grows. Now look towards the top right of your Wix interface. You'll see a menu called Tools. Go ahead and select that. Sometimes it can be tucked away among other menus, but once you find Tools, give it a click. Within this menu, you'll see several options. What you want here is Layers. If the Layers panel isn't enabled yet, just toggle it on. This is a one-time setup, but it's super useful. The Layers panel gives you a bird's-eye view of every strip, section, or container you've placed on your site. Think of it a bit like rearranging sticky notes on a corkboard. You can see where everything is at a glance and control what's on top or what's underneath. With the Layers panel open on the side, you'll notice a clear list of all your page sections, header, and footer strips. If you've never used this before, take a moment just to scroll through and see how Wix organizes everything for you. To rearrange, just click on the section you'd like to move, hold down and drag it up or down to your desired order. This part is pretty intuitive. Wix gives you that little feedback highlight as you drag, so you'll know exactly where each layer will be placed. Don't worry if it feels a bit awkward at first. It's perfectly normal to try a few arrangements until you get your page looking just right. If you need to move your header or footer strips, the process is exactly the same. Click, drag, and drop. These are super important areas of your site because they set the tone and navigation for your entire design. Maybe you want a sticky header to always sit on top, or you want your footer to be neatly tucked at the bottom without overlapping anything important. Experiment and don't be afraid to test what works best for your audience. And that's really all there is to it. Rearranging layers in Wix is surprisingly quick once you get the hang of it, and it's one of those tricks that can instantly polish up your website's look and feel. Remember, a tidy layer order doesn't just make design easier for you, it can also help prevent unexpected overlaps or layout issues, especially as you add new elements or visual effects. That wraps up today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, give the video a thumbs up. And if you've got any questions about Wix Layers or anything else related to site design, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on future tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.